Lumify eye drops. I like them. They make my eyes feel so much brighter. It makes such a difference in your makeup and skincare. It is. So I'm just gonna do the Paula's Choice C15 booster with vitamin E, C, and ferulic acid. I love this because it really gets deep into the skin and takes away pigmentation, all that stuff. Helps even out your skin tone. My skin is still a little bit damp, so I like to take it down my neck a little bit. Go in with whatever I have left of the peptide glazing fluid. Just use a little. Vitamin C has really helped my skin just like get back to, like, I feel like sometimes when your skin's really dull and you don't know what to do to like get that like dullness away, vitamin C really helps because it goes deep in and it makes your skin brighter. So I would invest in that, like one good, really like a really good serum, even if it's like a little bit more pricey. I feel like those are where you can like see the biggest results. Just using a stem cell. And I really like to like do this with the serums and stuff beforehand because I'm getting my makeup done, so I feel like I just want my skin to be as, you know, dewy as possible so that it like makes it really easy for her to like work on my face. I do a little bit of eye cream, eye gel from Amazon, it's like $5. I saw it on TikTok. My sister actually showed it to me, and supposedly it's really good. So most people say they don't believe in eye creams. I like disagree. I feel like under your skin is like the #1 like skin that like it gets really thin. I feel like as you get older, so I always try to put cream under my eyes because I'm like, I feel like your eyes are what people see and you want them to look bright and alive. So I love eye cream personally. Moisturizer. Thin layer. Can't leave my house without sunscreen, especially because I use so many like things on my face, like tretinoin. I get facials, microdermabrasion, microneedling, so I like have to use sunscreen because it's like really bad for your skin to burn in the sun. I'm gonna add a little glow screen too. Put a little bit of the Iconic London Glow serum on the chest and area are glowing. I do want to put a little eyebrow gel and just a little bit of sheen on this, and that is kind of how I prep to get my skin done. We are glowing. I'm a little sunburnt on my nose. The skin prep is done. I'm gonna change and then I'm gonna chug a green juice, chug water, and get dressed. Take my vitamins. I'll be RV. Just got here. This is the venue. This would be perfect for weddings. Kind of looks like your house. Weddings at your house?
Yeah, we'll take weddings at your house.
This is so exciting. What?
Oh my gosh,
I darkened my hair a little. Can you tell? A little.
No, you're fine. We got a lot going on.
Kind of, see how her hair is just kind of
Soft,
really
pulled
soft,
back.
pulled back,
A
simple.
nice pony.
Oh, I love
And
that.
if there's somebody
It's
that
really
you
pretty.
want to keep like their hair long like that with just,
Down like
yeah.
that. Okay.
So that's
Very
kind
pretty.
of what we're going
Whimsical, nice and
for.
soft.
Whimsical,
Nothing too
soft.
Yeah, I love that.
What's
How
that?
about for makeup? I was just gonna do like pink, soft,
Yes, soft, because the flowers are pinks.
Yeah.
Zoom in. I don't know. I don't know what to do.
Yeah, it's so funny. It was quite the undertaking for you to table it.
I know. I'm like, we have to go. I'm probably gonna go get food. I know.
And always like people go for trials and they're like, where are you going? They're like, Outback.
Just looking through.
Me in it in the mirror.
I was thinking if I could get it up there and then shoot this. You have to, otherwise the other thing is you'll burn out and that's it, you're done.
Not knowledgeable about that world. I'm like, oh, TikTok says, and then I buy it. I'm like, this is horrible. This is horrible. This really made everything so much worse. Thanks so much.
I just came upstairs. This is another room. So cute. These are the fake wedding invitations. So cute. And then what's in here? My wedding dress suit. You come in this room. This is our bridesmaid's dress. And over here are all these perfumes. They're so pretty. They're like all these name brand. Elizabeth Arden, Coach, Gucci, Coco Chanel. I love this one. Alright, you've all set with that. Okay. Who am I marrying?
Here, let's turn so you have a better light.
What is this stuff? I'm gonna buy it.
Body Glow from Say.
Say? I love Say. Oh, okay. Okay.
It's like a gel.
Wow.
Vintage card. Okay. Okay, now you're glowing.
Glowing. It is Monday morning. It is 10 o'clock. I just got back from a workout and throw on this outfit real quick because I have a meeting. For something very exciting that I'm doing in the fall. So I just wanted to show you guys that I am about to go on a meeting. It is really muggy out today, so I am like sweating in my house. I just turned the air on, but I was gonna just take this meeting with you guys. It's Monday, kind of show you what I do on a Monday for work and stuff. So I'm working remote right now, but I'm just gonna hop on this meeting. This is more personal. It's not like for my job. It's more just for my own brand. So yeah, I'm having my coffee, made a cute espresso in this cute little mug that I'm obsessed with. Okay, This is Amanda. She's so sweet, by the way. Yes. These are the vitamins that I just took. These are the seed vitamins I take. Did I take these? I can't remember. I think I did. But I like to take these every single morning. I kind of cut down on some of the ones I was taking. I love vitamins, but for a little bit I stopped taking some. And I honestly did notice a difference in my gut and in my health, so I started taking them again. But I started off with taking these. And then I'm going to kind of work my way back up to taking some other ones. I know magnesium is another really good one for vitamins. So I take that, vitamins, and then I also have been taking this celery juice powder in the morning because I love to take celery juice as like a drink every morning, but sometimes it's just like kind of a pain to make because you have to clean the whole juicer and it's just a process. So if you don't juice like enough, I'll open the window, but if you don't juice enough like during the day at nighttime or something and prepare, it's a little bit of a pain. So I found this celery stuff online. It's like freezed and dried, and I think I just got it off of Amazon, and it's organic, so I like it. It tastes a little different, it's like more watered down, but it does the job. And I just like to include it a little bit throughout my day. But honestly, I've mainly been drinking the Athletic Greens, and that has been doing the trick. I feel like my skin has been really good recently, just really, really glowy and like dewy. And I need to take it right now, even though it's so gross and I've talked to you guys about it 100 times. But this really disgusting sea moss, but it's so good for you. And I swear I've noticed such a difference like in my skin. Wait, when does it go bad? 6. Wait, 6. It doesn't smell bad. I think it lasts a month. It looks like blue goo, like ew. But it's so good for you. And it tastes like it's not that bad, but okay, ready? I have to like plug my nose. People probably think I'm crazy for eating this, but there's so many benefits. I swear it's like helped my skin. Look at my skin's like elasticity and glow. I swear it's from starting this. Texture. Okay. Back to cleaning. Oops. I have laundry to do. Whoa. Catch up on laundry, do stuff like that. I'm gonna go have lunch with my friend and then I'm gonna come back. So I'm gonna leave in like 5-10 minutes. I'm gonna just clean up the kitchen, do the dishes like really fast, just so that it's done and I help my mom and stuff. And then I'm gonna go do that, and then I have to come home. I have to sit down and I have work to do for my job, just a little bit. I'm gonna do that, post a podcast. We're having a cute and productive day. And then I don't know what I'm doing tonight. I was thinking of going to get dinner, but I also want to save money, so I'm like, what should I do? But I want to see my friends. Does anyone else feel that? I don't know. I guess we'll decide later. It would be nice to get my hair done too, but like, I don't know if I should just stay in tonight or do something. I don't know if I even feel like, do I want to do my hair, like my makeup, you know, like I kind of wanted to film that. What do I want to eat? I want like something healthy.